pose like this.
Oh.
No! Okay. You, Mama, have to pose like this.
Ready?
Yeah. One was jumping on my hand. Only one came on my hand.
Was it ticklish?
Did it tickle you? Hey, go!
Wait, why didn't you put your hand in the cage?
I forgot. No, I'm getting jingle. I'm getting goggle.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
Ben, that's gross. Don't do that.
Yeah. Because all your dirty from your body is in here in the back.
I drink and spit.
Wow.
That's a bad idea, son.
If you're gonna swallow it, you're gonna go to the ambulance.
What?
You're gonna go to the ambulance.
Ambulance?
Yeah, you're gonna have germs in your body. Then you're gonna go to the ambulance. Remember we watched Mr. Bean went to the what is that called? Ambulance?
Mr. Bean?
Yeah, and then there was a garbage beside him, and then he put all the garbage in.
Tuesday, Monday, not sure. I woke up this morning to a house full of screams. Everyone's screaming, everyone's going crazy. I have no idea what happened because I was up at night with Max. I put Gary in charge to take the kids to school. Nori came in the morning. It was chaos. I don't think you guys understand. If you don't have kids, you know that like that morning routine videos on YouTube, very unrealistic. Although the funniest part today was I was sleeping actually with Max in bed because I couldn't put him down. So I hear the boys are like walking, literally like a marching band, marching down the stairs, singing, "It's Tuesday and it's time to wake up, and it's Tuesday and it's time to shine up." And I was laughing. Those are the moments that make everything worth it. Okay, I need a really strong cup of coffee right now, and I need to get right into shooting videos. I'm really behind and I'm leaving on Saturday on a trip. I need to get it all done. I finished shooting 3 pieces of content. It's so hard to vlog during the week because I'm just like so slammed trying to just get through the list. I need to eat. That's where I was going. Because this is not food. This is just fuel, but for like 10 minutes. Someone needs to wake up because you know the drill. You know what I'm gonna do. It's time for Wednesday, and it's time to wake up, and it's Wednesday, and it's time to shine up, and it's Wednesday, and it's time. What? What? Go away? Do you know who you're talking to? You're talking to the artist behind the song, behind the motivation song. And it's Wednesday, and it's time to wake up, and it's Wednesday, and it's time to shine up. Ben? Benny? Ben? Do you like my Wednesday song? No one appreciates me in this house. Benny, do you love my song? What do you have with you? Did you sleep with Shadow?
Yes.
Wow. You think Shadow likes sleeping with you?
Yes.
Okay, boo-boos.
No, I'm not going anywhere.
You're not going anywhere?
I don't want to go anywhere.
Same, babe. Same.
No!
Shh. No screaming. Why are you screaming?
I'm getting all of you.
Where are you going? Benny, I think we made Jake angry.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yeah.
I wish you could eat my toes.
I wish I could eat your toes too.
I wish I could eat your toes.
My toes?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I don't think my toes are so yummy. So tell me, what did you dream about?
Nothing.
Nothing?
No.
You know what I dreamed about?
No.
I dreamed that we went to Wonderland and we went on a roller coaster and we had the best time ever.
Know what I dreamed about?
What?
I dreamed about me, Jake, and Papa, and you went to Wonderland, and we went to the roller coaster that has no circles.
No circle? Oh, like no, like this?
Yeah. Because it's gonna be scared for me.
So we had a very similar dream. Wow. Maybe we'll go to Wonderland too.
Yeah.
When? Maybe tomorrow.
So, Mama, I thought I covered my mouth.
Oh yeah? Huh, interesting. I didn't even see you hadn't moved there. Okay, you know it's time to go because it's Wednesday and it's time to wake up, and it's Wednesday and it's time to Jakey, Benny, let's go. What are you wearing?
I don't know.
Who's this guy?
Albert Einstein.
Is he your friend?
No.
Who is he?
He's a No, he's not.
Okay, he's taking it very personally. Okay, put on your shoes. Let's go to the park for a little bit. I decided to take the boys for a little park session before school just because I woke up so early, and when all of them are up together at the same time, it's a madhouse.
Mom, can you please take a photo of you?
Of me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mom.
Yeah?
You have to push me.
Okay, let him take a photo and then I push you, okay?
So, Benny, sit. Look. You only want me to go everywhere.
Okay, it's fine. We're gonna sit together like this.
No, wait. So Ben has to stand here and then for you? No, I don't want to.
okay.
Have to pose like this.
Oh.
No. Okay. You, Mama, have to pose like this.
Why won't we sit down? Because that way we don't have sun on our faces, so you can actually take a picture.
Okay.
Okay?
Pose like this, or whatever you want. Whatever you want.
Okay, go further. It's too close. Okay. Now, let's do like Albert Einstein.
Yeah.
Like this.
Like this. Benny, put your tongue a little bit out. Okay? Benny, do like this. It has to be like this.
Ready?
Yeah. I wish I could let you. Tongue out. Tongue. Oh, Jake is. Mama is doing shorter. I want to do shorter.
Benny, wanna be part of our team?
Come. I can't be in the picture.
Okay, just Jakey and I.
No.
Are you gonna come in?
Yeah. Jakey, stop it.
Okay, come. Thank God there's a battery life on this thing. You're gonna hurt yourself.
Jake. How can I hold myself?
Oh. It didn't hurt?
I'm so scared.
So don't do it. You don't have to do it. Why would you do it? Just do normal.
I can stand and do it.
I don't think that's a wise idea.
Let's do this together, okay? Yeah. Let's hold hands. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whee!
Yay!
Now take a picture of Max. Take a picture of Max.
Okay,
Not
but I'm
me,
doing
Max,
something.
Max.
But I'm
Max.
doing something.
Mama.
So you're a silly man? How is your camera, silly man?
Good.
Mom, I'm taking a video.
I have to do it.
One small yellow onion diced. So first you have to cut in half. I don't want you to cut an onion because
Why?
it's gonna make you cry.
No, no.
No, for real.
No.
So I just got back from the gym, and look who greets me at the door. Hey, baby.
Hi.
Mwah. And then, oh, look who else is here. How's it going, guys?
Good.
Good. Okay, let's show everybody what goes on in the mornings at the Lipovetsky house.
I want to show everybody the house. This is the bathroom, and here's the this is garbage. This you don't need. JK, that's mine.
That's a potty? That's great. Okay, let's see what else is going on. Oh, look who's here. Who did I find? Who did I find?
Maxie.
I don't. No, we don't want to see something in the toilet.
No,
but
no,
thank you.
no, you don't. I won't show you. No,
This guy. Good morning, son.
that's the basement.
Good morning.
Good morning, that's
Gentle, 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 baby, gentle, gentle. Gentle. Okay, so that's Max. A lot of fun. Now, just so you know, like I didn't come home to the kids by themselves. We have Nori here. So now, good morning. Now the negotiations start to try to get these guys out of their pajamas and into their clothes. My son is the boss of the park. I step away, and Benny's got this little girl pushing him. Good job, Benny. Look at that.
Record my children.
What are you talking about?
Record them. The recital. Record. You're gonna be amazing at the concert. Okay, I love you so much.
Are you coming with us?
No, I'm going to South of France.
I wanted to go with us.
I can't, my love. Not this time, but next time.
Bye bye, Mama.
Mwah.
Bye,
Bye,
Mama.
baby. Bye, my love. I love you so much. I'm gonna miss you so much, boo boo. I'm gonna be gone just for a little bit. Just for a little bit.
What did you say is in my room? Besides a mess? What is it?
But where's the yellow one? Look.
Oh my goodness!
It says, no Papa, Papa no Rua. It's French.
What does it mean? What does it mean, son?
It means Papa is a king.
That's incredible. And what's this?
This is a picture for me, you, and Jake.
Oh, that's so nice. Thank you. That's so sweet. I don't understand. Oh, there's Jake. There's Benny. And that's Papa. Who drew this picture?
Me and Jake.
That's so nice. You boys did such a good job. Thank you. I love it. And can I ask you a question?
What?
What's this for?
This is for you.
But is today a special day?
It's not a special day, it's Father's Day.
So nice.